Welcome to our lesson on the impact of environmental change. The key questions for today are: what changes can impact the distribution of organisms? How do these changes occur? How do humans contribute to these changes? What can humans do to limit or stop these changes? Why is it important? The key words you will need to know are distribution, seasonal, geographic, environmental, impact. Environmental changes occur regularly and can affect the distribution of species within ecosystems. This means that where the organisms live changes. This means that animals not affected by the environmental change directly may still be affected, as they could lose a food source or gain a competitor. Task: can you think of any environmental changes that occur? Environmental changes can include changes in temperature, weather patterns and conditions, water availability, soil pH, pollutants, and atmospheric gases present. All of these can impact the distribution of organisms, causing them to move from and to areas. Organisms are adapted to live in the environments that they inhabit. As conditions change, they may have to move. As temperatures change around the globe due to global warming, lots of species are able to survive in areas where they previously would not have, such as some birds now living further north. Equally, some species are losing their habitats as conditions change, such as polar bears, who are experiencing the melting of the ice that they live on. Animals that live in very dry areas often move in search of water, which is essential for survival. As rainfall in some areas increases, some animals are not having to move as far to find water. But on the other hand, where droughts are becoming more common, animals are dying through lack of water. The composition of atmospheric gases means the gases that make up the air in a locality. All aerobically respiring organisms require oxygen for respiration, even aquatic animals that live in water. Pollutants that are present can limit photosynthesis for plants, causing oxygen concentrations to fall, killing aquatic organisms and plants. When the plants die, the other organisms have no food, so are forced to move. Humans contribute to these factors both directly and indirectly. Our activities may lead to increased levels of greenhouse gases, such as burning fossil fuels, which in turn contributes to global warming and the increased temperatures. The increased global temperature is driving the change in the climate, which leads to changing weather patterns such as rainfall or droughts. Industrial processes release pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, which can kill some plants and lichens, as well as cause acid rain, which can kill plants and cause lakes and streams to become acidic. Task: using the graphic above, answer the following questions. Describe the trend in carbon dioxide emissions from 1970 until 2010. Which economic sector produces the most greenhouse gases? Why do you think the carbon dioxide level has increased since 1950? Extension: explain how increasing carbon dioxide levels can lead to a change in distribution of organisms. And here are the answers. Carbon dioxide emissions have risen steadily since 1970, with the rate increasing in about 2000. Electricity and heat production produces the most greenhouse gases. The Industrial Revolution occurred, prompting the burning of fuels in factories and cars. Increasing carbon dioxide levels contribute to global warming as it is a greenhouse gas. This can lead to climate change, which causes weather patterns to change and changes in the environment. Animals are adapted to live in specific environments, so if their environment changes, they may have to move. Some activities cause specific environmental problems. Burning fuels releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, so this contributes to global warming. This causes a global rise in temperatures, leading to effects such as ice caps melting, causing sea levels to rise and flooding. Other greenhouse gases include methane and water vapour. Sometimes there are other compounds present in the fuels that are burnt or in waste gases from industrial processes. These include sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen. These dissolve into water, causing it to become acidic, causing an environmental problem called acid rain. Acid rain can damage trees and crops, as well as making ponds and lakes acidic. Task. List A gives 4 human activities. List B gives the effects of the activities on the environment. Draw one line from each human activity in List A to its effect on the environment in List B. Although human activities can have negative impacts on the environment, there are measures we can take to help limit them, such as saving energy where we can by turning off appliances and plugs when not in use, walking instead of driving, using public transport and recycling.